Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can upload a team logo to your team on a Vimeo or in your Vimeo account. So let us guide you through this. So guys, here in your Vimeo account, click into your profile icon and next you will need to navigate to team settings. To do that, click into settings here. And in the next step, click into manage team just below the general settings. Here you will see the list of members inside your team. And what you want to do next, guys, is click into basics here on the left hand side, and that is going to allow you to upload the logo, as you can see. So to do that, click into this button or drag and drop it if you're using a Mac, or for instance, and the file size is the file limit, is 5 MB, and the format should be JPEG or PNG. So as you can see, I have already uploaded this one. So what you want to do is click into that button, next locate the file on your device with JPEG or PNG and up to 5 MB. And after that it will be added to your, or it will be made your team logo. Also guys, if you'd like to change it, click into edit here, select upload and replace this one here. You may also remove it. Click by clicking into this button, confirm by clicking into save, and that's it. You can also customize the accent color for your team if you like by clicking into these here and select one of these. And yeah, that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.